Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the back button. Once the menu opens, use the down button to scroll through it and find the settings icon, or option rather. And once you find settings and select it, press the activity button to enter. Now scroll through the menu again by pressing the back button. Find the system option and then press activity button, and here the first option should be language. Once you select it, press activity and you will see the list of languages, and you can scroll through it by pressing the down button, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, you can press the activity button to confirm, so the language will be applied. Let me bring it back to English, like that. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.